Hi, Eamon here. This is a quick video just to show you how to program up your time clock on your Q7RF. This is the battery operated unit. I've removed it from the wall just to illustrate for these purposes, but this would be fitted on the wall in the room. So what we're going to do now is set up the program. So this has 6 programs per day. That's broken down into maybe 3 on, 3 off. You don't have to use all of them, but it depends on what your functionality or what you want to use the controller for. So for example, if you're in a heating for a bedroom, you might turn on in the morning, turn off in the morning, come back on in the evening, turn off in the evening, and then you could set an additional program for nighttime function as well. But let me just show you how to turn on the... So you see what I've done there now. I've held the set button and then I've hit program, and we've gone into the thermostat or the programming mode to bring on and off your controller. So I'll just do that again. Every time you want to go back to default, just hit the set. So you hold down set and then hit program, and you'll see the screen starts to flash. And then you can go through the cycle. So this, when all these flash together, it's showing that I want every day to be the same. Monday right through till Sunday. So when I hit program again, I see that 5 degrees will flash. So this is by hitting plus or minus, I can decide what my first program, I'm setting the temperature for my first program. Then I will hit set again. So I've set it at 5 degrees because I don't want the panel to come on. So you can see here now, sorry, I hit set by accident. So let me hold set, hit program, and I should have hit program instead of set. So I'm going to hit program. The temperature will flash. Then I hit, so it's now we're going into program 1. So at 7:30 in the morning, program 1 will kick in, and I'm going to say I want 18 degrees in the room at 7:30 in the morning. Then I hit program again, and I can select by hitting plus or minus the temperature I want in the room at 7 o'clock in the 7:30 in the morning. Hit program again. Now, so 7:30 it's turning on. Program 2 is what time I wanted to turn off. So I've said from 7:30 turn on, 9 o'clock to turn off. And then I've said I want 15.5, so I don't want to get it too cold in the room. But you can see here there's a pattern starting to happen. By hitting program, we're going through the cycles of each program. We're into program 3, so it will not change again until 16:30. So that's in the evening time when I come in and I want to set the temperature at 18 degrees. So program 3 will be at 18 degrees, and then program 4 at 2000 hours, which is program 4. So I've used 4 programs so far, and I've set it at 17.5 degrees. And then you can see at 2200 hour, which is program 5, it's going to drop back down to 5 degrees. So the thing you need to notice here is that every program I'm using, one program turns on the controller, one program turns off the controller. And we'll just see what happens then. So at 2200 hour, we're into program 5, and it'll drop back down to 5 degrees, which means it'll turn off. And then program 6, I've had to just fill that because there's 6 cycles per day. I've just randomly selected a number at 11:20, program 6, and also at 5 degrees. But you'll see what will happen now. It will jump back down to where we've started. So if I just quickly go through the cycle, we've already looked at all this. Yeah. So you set up all this and then hit the set button to turn it off. So that's it. So look, thank you for watching, if you have any other information required, check out our website helvetic.ie. Thanks for watching.